Once in a small town, there was a man who never spoke. His name was Adam. Every day, he walked through the town, greeting people with a smile and a nod. But he never said a word. The townspeople called him the Silent Man. Adam lived in a small house on the edge of town. He had no family, no friends, and no visitors. People often wondered why he never spoke, but no one knew his story. Some said he had lost his voice. Others thought he simply had nothing to say. One day, a young boy named Peter moved to town with his family. Peter was curious about everything, especially about Adam. He asked the townspeople, "Why doesn't Adam talk?" The baker said, "He's sad. Something bad happened to him a long time ago." The farmer said, "Maybe he just likes the quiet." But Peter wasn't happy with their answers. He wanted to know the real reason. So one sunny afternoon, he decided to visit Adam. Peter walked to Adam's house and knocked on the door. After a few moments, Adam opened it, smiling warmly, but still silent. "Hello, Adam," Peter said. "Can I sit with you?" Adam nodded and invited Peter inside. The house was simple and clean. There were no pictures on the walls, no books, and only a few chairs. Peter sat down, and Adam sat across from him. For a while, they sat in silence. Peter felt nervous, but he remembered why he had come. "Adam," he asked, "why don't you talk?" Adam looked at him for a moment, then stood up and walked to the drawer. He took out a small wooden box and handed it to Peter. The boy opened the box and found an old letter inside. It's yellowed with age. The letter read, "Dear friend, if you ever read this, know that I have chosen silence, not because I am sad, but because words once hurt me deeply. I spoke too much, said things I didn't mean, and hurt people I cared about. Now I find peace in silence. I listened to the world and let my heart speak in its own way." Peter looked up at Adam and smiled softly. He understood now. Adam's silence wasn't a burden, but a choice. Peter nodded, returning the letter to the box. He stood up, thanked Adam, and left the house. From that day on, Peter never asked Adam why he didn't speak. He already knew the answer and respected Adam's choice. The townspeople still called him the Silent Man, but Peter called him the Wise Man. And so, Adam continued his quiet life, listening to the world and speaking only with his heart. Thanks for watching and listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel Storytime with Anita to keep up with my upcoming videos. Have a great day.